open her up, take out the screws, put them somewhere nice and safe, and then use some maybe alcohol to loosen the battery first before you release the holding strips, and pull the holding strip out and to the right. There's two of these, so there's another one. Put it out to the right, then dry it up with a heat gun. Get your new slices of adhesive strips, put them on your new battery, put your battery in, and put back your plate with your screws, and that's it really. The only thing to be wary of is when you're putting the battery back is to make sure the ribbon doesn't get caught from the battery, and that's it. Unrepaired, replaced iPhone 7 battery.